welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cleaning my dirty room. I don't know how I let it get this way, but I just did. I've been like sick for a few days, and honestly, like, I've just been like throwing things here to there, and I'm just like, whatever. But today we're gonna clean it together. I'm probably just gonna do like a little time-lapse video for you guys. Do like a no talking time-lapse video, or try to do like a aesthetic clean with me video. We'll see how that goes, because nothing about me is aesthetic, but I can attempt to do that for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So let's just get started. Run down what we have going on. Okay, I know it looks pretty bad, but it is. Honestly, this is not acceptable, but I need to, because if I just keep letting the days go on, it's just gonna get worse and worse, and I don't need that. Cute. We have a Q-tip that I use to take my mascara off. So cute. And then a bunch of things that I got at the Dollar Tree from a recent vlog. I just didn't even end up putting anything up. This is actually trash in there too. Sandals. I should probably organize that. Oh, and I got a dental floss right here. I probably just floss my teeth randomly and just put it there. And my trash is about to overflow. Great. We love that. I don't know why I showed you guys in here, but I'm planning for like a future video to get like bins and put my leggings, because this just ain't gonna work. It's just not. So yeah, I need to actually do laundry too, now that I'm in here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just get all of like the dirty clothes and throw it in the hamper and go ahead and wash my clothes first. And then, so yeah, and I need to like Swiffer and dust everything off. I mean, it could be worse, right?
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I'm gonna go ahead and just pick these up, all the headbands on my bed, and make my bed since it's the biggest thing in my room. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize all of this mess that I have here and throw it in the trash and throw the trash away and all of that. This bin, I'm gonna put like all of my packaged stuff, things that I'm selling. I still have stuff to put on Macari that I haven't put on there yet. Okay, so I finished this entire side over here. I need to Swiffer everything off here and vacuum, and I'm done. Oh yeah, and I gotta clean my makeup brushes. Dusty, crusty brushes, and I'm basically done, and I'm going to show you guys the final results of my room. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off camera and yeah, give you guys the clean results of my room. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed cleaning my room with me. Let me know if you were cleaning along with me too. I'm very curious. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.